Hey guys, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple TV, and today we have a special episode today. Today, at the first time we are gonna give a story time on Jamaican Pineapple TV. It's exclusive. Wanna get to the drinks? Take a sip, get a blanket, and get cuddly because that story time, yeah, it's too much, it's too hot, it's too epic. Anyways, guys, thank you for liking, subscribing, and tuning into our next episode of Niceness Storytime by Jamaican Pineapple TV. And the crowd goes wild. Once upon a time, Jamaican Pineapple was in love with a waste man. Take a sip on that. She ignored all the red flags and dived into this long distance relationship of 1 year or 8 months. People, could you imagine, as nice as me, look pan good girl, as nice as I am, a boy scam me. The boy scam me. So, to cut long story short, I was seeing a person that I met online, and we start talk, and from talking I exchanged my number, and so we used to talk on WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp conversation them get nice and intensive. Boy I tell me say him love me, boy I tell me what him want do to my body. You don't know say girl never have no relationship for about 4 years and me not have sex more than 3-4, about 3 years me not fuck. So I find man, so I'm happy. I find one good boy. Me never see something so nice. So boy know if he lyrics me, boy know if he talk to me good, boy know if he do everything to me. So you know the relationship I get nice. So I decided that I want to go to Jamaica. Anyways, in the long run of the relationship, like after 2 months, one day me get one phone call, because normally this man never called me yet. It was always WhatsApp, writing, texting. So, when the boy called me, the boy tell me say him want €200 from me because him in some difficulties. So me get dark and say, look here, I'm not going to send you any money. We are just talking for 2 months. Why should I send you money? You understand? I say, Ray, people in a hospital and this and that and God he knows what. So, you know, them time there, when me and him talk, I wasn't even working. People tell the truth. I never have no money either. I never did that work. So I was doing a I don't even know what you call it. I never did that work. So I did do one course or something. And anyways, I borrowed that €200 from some friend and sent him it. You see, before me send the money, every day I get telephone call. My phone, my phone I ring off. Like, you know, ring off my phone. The man I ring off my phone every time. So when he ring off my telephone, I say, what is, I wonder if I the money I call me for or if he really miss me. Because I tell me, say, babes, I miss you. I can't wait to see you. I want to do this to you. I want to go there so with you. I want to go rafting, I'm want to go eat this, I'm want to go eat that with you, I'm want to take you to the most exclusive place, and him have him good job, and him have one good car and house, him have everything, you know. So me I say, alright, I'm coming to Jamaica to come and visit you. Anyways, go back to the story. Me send him the €200 where him say him want from me. So when I send him the €200, people believe me, I never heard anything back from this guy. For the first 4 days, I not hear nothing from him. I say, what is? I call this phone, nobody answer. I write what's up, the message them go through. Nobody now react to me things them. So I was like, what is all of this? So after 5 days, he called me and was telling me that them thief him phone and him need a new phone. He told me that he needs a new telephone, and then he has a friend that lives in the city that I live in, and I should buy him an iPhone and give to the friend. Can you imagine? I just send the person €200 people. Something like that can happen to no? Something like that? Normal? That not normal. So me say, you serious? I say, no, babes. As somebody phone me I use right now. And I text you because he was used like it's a strange number that was texting me that he doesn't have any telephone anymore. So I should buy iPhone and send iPhone with a friend of his to Jamaica for him to to keep in contact with me. And he was like, you know, the phone is our only means of contact now. It's me and you and the phone. I share with there, and if I don't have no phone, I can't get to you. So I believe the story. Me idiot girl got trust the phone. I took the phone on credit, give it to the person. The person bring the phone to into Jamaica. So when the person land at Jamaica and give him the phone, the guy never write me or text me after 2 weeks. Me no hear nothing from him. One day, one WhatsApp call come in, one WhatsApp text come in and say, babes, I miss you. Long time I not hear from you. Me just get money to top up my phone. Me say me get dark like midnight and me say, pussy, who you try fool? Go fool your mother. Don't try to fool me. So anyways, me don't know what this person had, but this person just used something and get me. So from there, so me and him turn good friend back again. Boy, I text me, nice and everything good again. Me in love again and everything. Boom. The boy I come tell me say he want €600 from me because him grandmother there in a hospital and need medicine. People, no sir. That not correct. Me say why not? Me say you need €600 to do what? Your grandmother in a hospital and need medicine. So if you didn't know me, how would you help out that situation? Just imagine that I am not here. Anyways, I offered him to give him the half of the money. And he has to find the other half. I go borrow again. Remember, I done borrow €200 already, you know. So I go borrow now €300 from my mother. So that means I owe my friend €200. I owe my mother €300. So that's €500 in all. Me in a depths for please, man. So I send the money. When I send the money, me not hear nothing back from him. Not a thank you, nothing. So I say, you know what? I have to go to Jamaica. So I book my flight and say me I go to Jamaica. And I don't make him know nothing. So when me I come. So one day him call me and I say, you know, someone want to come to Jamaica? You're the pussy. Babes, if you're coming to Jamaica, I need a Clarks. You can go to Zara, go buy skinny jeans to me. And I need the military, I need jagger, I need shoes, I need football shoes, I need this, I need the world. And me, idiot girl, buy him the world. I buy everything, pan credit. Take Goggy man. People, do not be a man idiot 2019 because it played out. So anyways, I buy this something, I send him the picture, him like it. Conversation up, everything nice. So when I told him when I'm coming, he said he's going to come to the airport to pick me up. Me land at Jamaica waiting for somebody to pick me up on the airport. Nobody came to pick me up on the airport. I get to one phone call so the car broke down. People, me vex. Cause me think say I'm gonna get picked up. Me vex. So me end up, I had to take a taxi from Montego Bay to Port Antonio. When I reach Port Antonio, I book in one guest house. Cause I say, alright, maybe a true, the car broke down, him cannot pick me up. But it's a lie now. But me never know see a lie, but me vex. So when I went to Port Antonio now, I'm booking a one guest house for the first night because I have to huza, I have to calm down. So I'm booking at the hotel, in the guest house. The first person me text at him and tell him, say, yes sir, me there right here, son. Him come over. So when the man come over with him with a luggage. The man come over with one big suitcase. So I was like, no, I just tonight me I spend here because you see I have a house. So me want to stay in the house. Because I want to save money. Remember say girl not have no money. The boy start give me story and tell me say auntie just come from foreign and they in the house. So the place is occupied with his family. You understand? The place is occupied with him family. So me say, okay, how long are they going to stay here? Him said they must spend 1 week. Alright, so I have to stay 1 week in the guest house. 1 week in the guest house. Bill come. So I was thinking he's going to pay for it. Like, even some, I think he might go do some contribution to the thing. But me never know say he's a scammer boy, he's a waste man. The man don't pay nothing. One night, me and him go out. After me and him go out, me then at the club and dance and have fun. One girl come to attack me. Big fight in a crystal club. Me go a crystal club, me not forget. One big fight, the girl come and throw things and buckle and this and that and rate it. So me take off my shoe because me not make no girl beat me. Because I say, hey red girl, hey foreigner girl, me I go beat you. For my man, I say, come beat me. You don't need to talk to no man and don't blood clean talk to me because me never know, me not take no girl. Is a man me I take, so me for know say the man have woman. But me should have know say he's a scammer. But me couldn't know say him have a woman. You understand? So anyways, the girl, one big fight come with her friends them. And me not have no back TV now, me alone. So me did alone and the fight start. And then him jump in at the middle and him part the fight. And she go away and I went my way. And she now come at the house the next morning with knife. And she come with her brother, her sister, her uncle, her auntie, her dead family. Everybody come to fight me. And me alone in this place. Me alone in the place. I don't have anybody to back me up. So the girl come the next day, I'm guest house and want to fight me. I say, hey red girl, come out, cause me I go juke you up, me I go stab you up, cause in Jamaica them love stab people. So I was like, come for me man, just come touch me. And then it watered down and everything was okay. All of a sudden, the man disappeared from the house. Me not see him after 1 week. Because remember that I only had 1 week to spend there in the guest house. Because after 1 week, I could move into his place. The boy never have no place. The boy run away. When the boy run away now, him come back after maybe the 9th day. When him come back now, the day, me say me I go grocery shopping. When me go grocery shopping now, after I was in the supermarket, I packed some grocery for myself. Then this guy took a trolley for himself and he was packing baby stuff. I mean, I say, I walk up here for them. In my mind, I was thinking, walk up here for them baby stuff there. So when we went to the cashier, his thing came up to 45,000 Jamaican dollar. And he must say, babe, sort it out. Sort it out. My auntie soon give me money. I say, sort out your mother. Me not sort out nothing. I just saw the story then. I just saw the idiot pineapple stopped where at that moment. I didn't start out shit. Him sit down on the bill for himself and he had to bring back everything because the boy never have 1 red cent in a blood clot. He never have no money. You understand? He never have no money and expected me to pay for his baby things and put it on taxi to send it to his baby mother. But people, you know what happened? When I was coming back to Germany, because me have to run down the story because me not have no time. When I was coming back to Germany, the boy do, you know what the boy do? The boy thief my clothes and take my clothes go give him baby mother. End of my story time. The boy take my clothes go give him baby mother. Shame. And can you believe that the girl was wearing my clothes? Because when we reach back to Germany, me go up on Facebook and me see the girl in my clothes. Me see the girl in my clothes. Me say, Jesus Christ, take the keys. Can't manage. Me can't manage the girl of me dress people. And she don't shame. And she post up the caption, my baby father bought me this lovely dress. My clothes. So stop dating these type of people. If a man come at you along from anywhere in the world and don't find time for you, don't invest anything in you, leave that person alone. It is a Jamaican waste man. I'm out. Tune in next week again for your next episode of Jamaican Pineapple TV, and that was my story time.